MeghalayaPost.news. Deputy Commissioner Kariboy District Wabilash Baranwal IAS ulakantui ki paiba nongsong snong ka district bakinlong ki bahusiar baha kini kisi namar ka jinglong jingman ka sun beneng ka basndio dak ba jingmun bakide ban shong khop hayeng hasam bat ker na galet kawan shik jaka ki bala banwan ra jingma lala jakun san uslabba ne ke Erïong habo crunch kilat pathai khobor disi ula pantip bakat kum ka jingyo jingtip na ki block development officer BDO jong ki block bapher hadu si spa sau punyo teli ki snong kila Shah Ktah Haka jingwan kunsan ke Erïong haka jong kasngi baladam laong ru Palat Hajar tali ki Longïing Kiba Shah Ktah Kiba bun ki kilamat ya kajing julor ka bajur karba katu kan nepan kila Shah Ktah malum mala kajingwan ka Erïong bat uslam kalawan ra ru kajing pentut haka boarding electric haka ba kibala Shah Ktah kilong ki spa lai puar KV line ha bernihat ha umyam bat kalai pulai KV line ha nongpoh namar kata nagalyang ka bor Sunshar district labtha ai kitanat penmi boarding bakan Pynsted ban marmot bat pen bhano ya kini kilan knang banat nya kinu kijinge haka basam boarding susu disi ulah hukum yaki BDO pakinda jurep shakishnong ki Shah Ktah ban yakendu yaki Longïing Kiba mat jing'e bat ban pentikna bag Jingïarap kin pois ki pajba kat kum ka jingdon kam nakalyang ka office of deputy commissioner kala debru ban pha yaki Jingïarap bakentup yau khaw ki jankup saan bat ki pat ki mar Jingïarap ki bala deb ban sam ki babun ki Longïing kum shibanta ka Jingïarap karki hagaju ka por disiula kerpan yaki nukinu ki Longïing Kiba Shah Ktah henry ki bompat yo Jingïarap bakin pentip sha ka office of DC lengba ki nombar bala ai kenang ban pentikna bag Jingïarap kan poi hok shaki
So yesterday, after a late night storm, today we took a meeting with all the BDOs, with all the line departments to assess the damage that has been inflicted upon the entire district. So as per the compilation, as per the latest report that we have received from the BDO so far, a total number of 147 number of villages have been affected. More than 1,000 houses, I mean 1,028 houses to be exact as of now, have suffered damages of various extents. Some houses have been fully damaged also, and some houses have received partial damage. Simultaneously, as far as the utilities are concerned, there was one landslide, small landslide on the Umling Patharkama road that has already been cleared, so that road has been restored. As far as electrical lines are concerned, that have suffered maximum amount of damage also. So, for example, near Umiam there has been some severe disruption. Barnihat also there has been disruption in the 132 kV lines, and simultaneously, as far as Nongpoh is concerned, the 33 kV line is still yet to be restored. However, we are closely coordinating with the MEPDCL also to ensure that all these lines are restored as soon as possible. As far as relief measures are concerned, after the meeting that we had with the BDOs today, we had instructed our BDOs that they will be going to all the to as many villages as possible to assess the impact, to connect, to basically reach out to all the people who have received the brunt, whose houses have been affected in the yesterday's storm. We have also disbursed dry ration and tarpaulin sheets in form of immediate relief to all these households, because collection of bank accounts and assessment of damage and then ultimate dispersal of the relief amount, which is basically the relief amount in terms of monetary compensation, that will take some time. But for immediate relief, we have disbursed dry ration through our FPS centers, as well as we have also disbursed tarpaulin sheets and blankets. Simultaneously, we have issued a public notice. I'll be sharing a copy with you, wherein we have circulated numbers of block offices, of DC office. If anyone within entire district feels that they have not received the relief despite being a victim of yesterday's storm, they can reach out to us, and these numbers will remain valid for this entire monsoon season. Whenever they feel that their houses, their infrastructures have suffered damage, they can reach out to us, and we'll make sure that immediate relief can be provided to them. We are also in close coordination with media. I want to thank our friends from media who have been calling me since morning and reporting me damages, and simultaneously very thankful to the local representatives also. I'm in touch with all honorable MLAs of Ribhoi, and they have also reported different sorts of damages, which we are taking into account while dispersing relief.
MeghalayaPost.news.